Some stories don't begin in darkness, they begin in beauty. A face admired across continents, a smile that defined elegance, a woman crowned as the most beautiful in the world. Yet behind the cameras, behind the flashing lights, behind global fame, was a storm. Broken relationships, industry politics, love turned toxic, careers destroyed, rumors weaponized, and a woman constantly judged but rarely heard. Tonight, we uncover the rise, the love, the betrayal, the controversies, and the untold struggles of one of Indian cinema's most mysterious superstars. This is the dark, complicated, and misunderstood journey of Aishwarya Rai. Before we dive deep into the story, if you enjoy cinematic Bollywood documentaries, celebrity untold stories, and industry secrets explained in depth, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we bring stories that mainstream media often skips. Now, let's begin from the start. Before the fame. Long before the controversies, before Salman Khan, before the Bachchan family, there was simply a young girl from Mangalore, raised in a disciplined middle-class family. Aishwarya was not chasing fame. She was focused on academics. Her dream? Architecture. But destiny had other plans. Even in school, teachers noticed something unusual. A face cameras loved. At just 9th standard, she appeared in a pencil advertisement. Small project, small moment. But it planted a seed. Soon, magazine shoots followed. Fashion assignments followed. Commercial offers followed. And then came the advertisement that changed everything. Pepsi ad era. India in the 90s didn't have streaming platforms. We had television. And when that Pepsi advertisement aired with Aamir Khan and a young, unbelievably charming Aishwarya Rai, people noticed. Audiences rewound ads, discussed her looks, remembered her face. She wasn't a movie star yet, but India already knew her name. Miss India and Miss World journey. Aishwarya entered Miss India. She didn't win the title, but destiny wasn't done. Because months later, she stood on an international stage and became Miss World. India celebrated. Media exploded. And suddenly, Bollywood doors opened wide. But fame comes with pressure. And the film industry is rarely kind to newcomers. Her early films weren't massive hits. Critics questioned her acting. Some called her just a pretty face. But she didn't quit. She worked harder. Then came films like Jeans, Tal, and slowly, audiences began noticing her screen presence. But the film that truly changed her life was still coming. And with it came the most controversial relationship of Bollywood. Salman Khan and toxic love. Sanjay Leela Bhansali cast Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai together in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. The chemistry? Electric. Audiences fell in love. And off-screen, so did they. But what began as romance soon became possession. Industry insiders later spoke about fights, arguments, and Salman's growing insecurity. Reports emerged of late-night confrontations, set disturbances, emotional breakdowns, and eventually allegations of abuse. Aishwarya later publicly confirmed she had endured emotional and physical turmoil. And when she finally ended the relationship, Bollywood took sides. Vivek Oberoi. Fallout. Enter Vivek Oberoi. Young, talented, upcoming star. Seen frequently with Aishwarya. Then came the press conference that shook Bollywood. Vivek claimed Salman threatened him repeatedly. But instead of support, the industry went silent. Offers stopped, careers shifted, and Vivek Oberoi's rise stalled. A single press conference changed everything. Career peak versus personal chaos.
While personal life made headlines, Aishwarya delivered performances in Devdas, Raincoat, Jodha Akbar, Dhoom 2. International recognition followed. Hollywood films, Cannes appearances. She wasn't just Bollywood royalty, she was global. But personal peace still seemed distant. Until another actor entered her life.
Marriage with Abhishek Bachchan. Working together brought Aishwarya and Abhishek closer. During the filming of Guru, Abhishek proposed. She said yes, a grand wedding. Two Bollywood legacies united. Fans celebrated. But rumors never stopped. People questioned motives, speculated relationships. Media scrutiny continued. And even years later, social media keeps dissecting their marriage. Motherhood and career pause. Then came daughter Aradhya. Aishwarya stepped back from films, focused on motherhood. Fans waited for her comeback. Some supported her choice, others criticized. But eventually, she returned and proved she still commanded attention. Comeback and new era. Films like Jazba, Sarjeet, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and later PS1 and PS2 brought her back to big screens. And audiences realized something. Aishwarya Rai was never just beauty, she was resilience. Modern rumors and social media era. Today, rumors of divorce, industry politics, and personal speculation still follow her. But official statements? None confirm drama. Most controversies are media narratives. And perhaps that has always been her story. A woman judged endlessly, but rarely understood. From global beauty queen to controversial relationships, career highs, personal struggles, and global stardom, Aishwarya Rai's journey remains one of Bollywood's most complex stories. Not perfect, not scandal-free, but undeniably powerful. So tell us in the comments, do you think Aishwarya Rai was misunderstood? Or was she simply surviving a ruthless industry? And if you enjoyed this deep dive documentary, don't forget to like this video. Because more untold Bollywood stories are coming soon. Until next time, where there is cinema, there is story. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we bring stories that mainstream media often skips.